The trouble with Daisy is she thinks she's a sheepdog. She's taken over the kennel that used to belong to Ben, the real sheepdog, even though it's a bit of a squeeze. She likes nothing better than being taken for a walk around the farm on a lead by the children. Is always first in the queue when it comes to sharing out the bags of crisps. And when it's time for the chance of a ride in a car, she barely has to be asked twice. In fact, everything in the 2.5 years since she was born premature and tiny have been more dog than sheep.
She lived in the kitchen, in a box, until she was about 2 months old, because she was such a small lamb. She would fit nicely into a box. I mean, normally a lamb, you can keep it in for a little while, but then they're out of their box and gone. But Daisy is quite happy to sit in her box.
An open front door is always an open invitation for Daisy to be more dog-like. Once indoors, it's a search for goodies. Bananas, apples, grapes, and anything else that's left on the coffee table satisfy this sheep's eye. Anything but grass. For dessert, it's into the kitchen, a quick look round, and it's a plate of cornflakes, if you excuse the table manners.
One evening, we all gone to bed, heard a bang, turned the light on, it was Daisy going in the kennel. And she just went in the kennel from there on.
What's the chances of Ben getting in the kennel nowadays?
No chance. She won't let anybody in the kennel, and if he tries and gets in, she drags him out.